Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Kalshi to make money. As you can see, when you open the app and go to the Explore tab, you'll find a wide range of prediction markets covering different topics. You can actually place real money on these predictions by choosing yes or no for each one. In your portfolio section, you can view all the predictions you've invested in. You can also use the search bar to browse through various categories such as health, world, climate change, elections, finance, and crypto, allowing you to bet on almost any topic that interests you. To participate, simply select a prediction or search for a topic, then choose either yes or no. For example, you might bet on whether the S&P 500 will close within a certain price range today. Enter the amount you wish to invest, such as $50, and click submit. If you don't have enough funds in your account, the app will prompt you to make a deposit. To do that, go to Settings, click on More, then choose Add Funds at the top center of the screen. From there, you can easily connect your bank account by selecting it from the list in the top right corner, and you'll be ready to start trading predictions. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.